You ever start making a smoothie or soup and end up with chunks that refuse to blend no matter how long you stir? It's frustrating, messy, and honestly makes you wonder why you even bothered. That's where the Turelar Immersion Blender comes in. A handheld 1,100-watt powerhouse designed to make soups, baby food, and smoothies silky smooth in seconds. Today, we're diving deep into this 5-in-1 stick blender set to see if it really lives up to the hype and whether it's worth taking up space in your kitchen. Right out of the box, the Turelar Immersion Blender feels solid and surprisingly ergonomic. Unlike some flimsy stick blenders that wobble or feel cheap, this one has a well-balanced, non-slip grip that makes continuous blending effortless. The body is sleek, the buttons are intuitively placed, and swapping attachments is painless. Everything clicks into place with a satisfying snap. It's designed to make your time in the kitchen easier, not add stress. But let's talk about the motor. This thing packs a full 1,100 watts of copper-powered punch. That's not just a number. In practice, it means the blender can handle tough ingredients without stalling. Whether you're pureeing a thick carrot soup or whipping up a nut butter, it tears through chunks that would slow down lesser blenders. The variable speed trigger is another standout feature. Instead of fiddling with dials, you simply press to increase or decrease speed on the fly. It's intuitive, keeps splashes under control, and gives you precise control over texture, from a light froth to velvety, smooth puree. Now, for the attachments. This is truly a 5-in-1 set. You get the main stick blender, a chopper, a whisk, and a frother. Each serves a clear purpose. The chopper attachment makes quick work of vegetables, herbs, or even nuts, while the whisk is perfect for eggs or light batters. The frother, though small, adds that cafe-style touch to lattes and hot chocolate. What's really smart is how easy all of these are to clean. Each piece detaches with one click, and the nylon blade guard prevents scratches in your pots while reducing suction and splattering. A small feature that makes cleanup way less annoying. On the topic of noise, you'll notice it's not whisper quiet. It's a powerful blender after all, but it's not overwhelmingly loud either. Most people report it's comparable to other high-end immersion blenders, which is reasonable considering what it can handle. Safety is also well considered. The blades are reinforced and food grade. The breaker and chopper are BPA-free, and the unit handles hot soups without worrying about warping or accidents, of course. No product is perfect. The Turelar blender can handle ice cubes, but you have to be careful not to overdo it. Running it too long on very hard ingredients can risk damaging the motor. It's also not meant for large frozen fruits or massive ice blocks. So if you're expecting a full-on frozen dessert blitz, this might not replace a heavy-duty countertop blender. And while the trigger speed control is fantastic, some users with weaker hands might find it slightly fatiguing if used for prolonged blending sessions. Who is this blender for? If you're a home cook who loves soups, smoothies, or quick baby food prep, it's an excellent fit. It's also great for anyone who appreciates multifunction tools that save space and cut cleanup time. On the other hand, if you need to crush giant ice cubes daily, or you prefer a heavy-duty professional blender, you might want to look elsewhere. In its price range, it competes well against brands like Breville and KitchenAid stick blenders, offering a stronger motor than most mid-tier competitors and more versatile attachments without doubling the cost at SO. Here's my final take. The Turelar Immersion Blender is solid, reliable, and surprisingly powerful for its size. It's well-designed, versatile, and user-friendly, making it a kitchen companion that actually improves your cooking experience instead of just taking up counter space. For everyday blending, chopping, whisking, and frothing, I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. Minor limitations aside, it's a tool you'll actually use and enjoy using. If this review helped you, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more honest kitchen gear reviews, and check the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability. Trust me, your future smoothies will thank you.